In terms of disaster response, meron tayong mga ginagawang mga trainings ngayon. Yung initially meron kami yung WASAR, no? So we have 65 new patrol men na nag-report sa atin ngayon at sila ngayon yung binubugbog natin ng training. And there will also be joint trainings which we already have agreed with the reserve command ng ating Philippine Army para sama rin namin doon sa WASAR training natin. So we have done several trainings from regions and from the region, and we also have one here at the provincial level. That's PNP conducted. Well, when it comes to the SOPs, palagi naman nating tinitignan yan and ina-assess on its effectiveness and efficiency. So, kada bagyo, nagkakaroon tayo ng we apply what we learned from the previous incidents, and then afterwards we review, check if it's effective, it's efficient, and then if there are things to be refined, we refine it, and we go back to the drawing board, check what went right, what went wrong.